up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a Wi-Fi camera that was sent out to me by a company called Nooie. So a big shout out to them for providing this for a review. So this is the Nooie Wi-Fi Camera 1080p 360-degree wireless IP camera, home security camera, baby and pet monitor, motion traction, super IR night vision, two-way audio, motion and sound detection, and cloud storage. So you can pick this up on Amazon.com for $39.99. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. So let's take a look at some of the features and details about this. So this features 360-degree, high definition and super IR night vision. The Nooie camera 360 can rotate 355 degrees horizontally and 94 degrees vertically. Together with its 101 field of view, provides you with the full protection you need. Also equipped with a high quality sensor, 1080p HD camera lens, and two 940 nm infrared LEDs. Night vision up to 32 feet and pitch black. All right, so this also has motion tracking, where it will track your motion and sound detection. You can check into your home anytime with 24-hour live streaming. The Nooie Cam sends real-time notifications to your phone with motion and sound detect. It also has two-way audio, listen and talk, and also has secure data storage. You can either put in a micro SD card, or you can have 7-day cloud storage provided by Amazon Web Services, $5 a month. All right, so those are some of the features and details. So let's take a look at the camera. Okay, guys, so here's the package it comes in. As you can see, nothing real fancy about the packaging, but on the back of it, here's some of those stats that I read off earlier. 1080p HD, motion detection, two-way audio, cloud or storage locally, and night vision. So this is compatible with Android 4.4 Plus and iOS 8.0 and above. So, all right, so let's get this cut open here. Plastic here, so let's go ahead and get this plastic off. Don't have my new unboxing knife on deck, so this is one I keep in my pocket. Started. Bumper cam. Out to my man Jay Will. All right, so let's get this unwrapped here. Just a plain brown box here. All right, let's see what we got in here. So starting off, you have a thank you for purchasing card here. All right, then you got a instructions pamphlet here, what I would assume, yes. And tells you all about the camera here. And let's see what else we got here. So we got the camera. Let's see what's all in this box. So I'm gonna take everything out of it. Like something else down in the bottom. Yeah, that's something else. Hey, here's the last box that was in there, guys. It was a struggle to get it out. It does have a little place where you put your fingers, but fingers that big, you can't get that out of there. All right, so this looked like it's gonna be a bunch of stuff here. So it looked like the stand that it stands on, the base of it, right there. Have something here. Yeah, you got your screws in case you want to mount this on the wall somewhere. Those are like inserts for the wall. Then you got your charging brick here. Just a regular old charging brick, and then you got your power cord here. Power cord does have a micro USB end on it with a type A. All right, so I'm going to get this cleaned up, then we'll take a look at the camera. Okay guys, so we got all that cleaned up. Let's get the camera out of this plastic bag right here and take a look at it. So the camera's not too big. It's a nice size little camera. You can put it in a spot somewhere and put it there and not be noticed so much. But if you wanted to mount this on the wall, you take this little base right here and you slide it in. It's a slot there, and you can put it in there and you put your screws in it and you can mount it wherever you want. I'm not going to mount it. I'm going to put mine on the just like this and leave it there. So let's go around it. This is where you put your power at right here. You also have your little reset button right beside it, and then on the front of it here you have your status indicator light right there and your speaker, and then your micro SD card slot is underneath the camera right here. If I can find it, I'll show you right here in a minute. Micro SD card slot is right here. Finally see it right there, so you can put your extra storage in there and not use the cloud storage right there. So the camera is a nice looking camera. It has a swivel base. So let's get ready to pair it with the phone. Okay guys, so in order to connect to your home security camera here, you need to download this app, Nooie Cam. You can get this in the Play Store, or you can get it in the Apple Store for whichever device you're going to use. Once you download it and install it, you open it up here, and this is the first page that you get to here. So you're going to add your camera. I have the Nooie Cam 360, so I'm going to go ahead and press on that, and it says please make sure that your camera is powered on within Wi-Fi range. Please allow 15 seconds until the indicator light flashes red. It's flashing red already. So I'm going to go ahead and press this button here. Ask me to allow this to get in. It's asking for my password to my Wi-Fi router. So let me put that in. Now that I have my password into my router, this is what comes up. Place this QR code in front of your camera, 3 to 6 inches. Click to enlarge the image. When you hear a beep sound or see the indicator light turns white, go to the next step. So my camera's there. I'm going to place it in front of it. Trying to get the camera to recognize it. So now it says go to the next step. Now it's pairing with the camera. As you can see, it's making some noise there. The camera is making noise. It looks like it's... So now I can name this camera, as you can see on this page here. I'm gonna call this probably the living room camera. That's what I'm gonna call it. Next page here. Now, as you can see, it's got a picture of my hand there. So the camera is active right now, so I'm going to turn it around and see what we can see here. All right, so there's my little hole that's on the table there. So that's as easy as that is pairing. I'm going to drop this camera somewhere else, and then we'll get shots like that. And then first, let's go through the settings here on this app. So this is in the camera settings here. So you got audio recording, status light, rotate image, motion tracking. You can turn all that on. Video quality, which you can have it on normal or high. Motion detection, you can have that. You can choose the sensitivity of that, low, medium, or high. And then you got sound detection, low, medium, and high as well. And So that's pretty much all it is in the settings there. And as you can see, my in an image right there. But I'm going to move the camera up in another room, and then we're going to check it out. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys, so here's a live look. I moved the camera to another room. I have it in my kitchen area. And if I wanted to pan around with this, as you can see, it's simple enough just to pan it here. I can go up and down with this, and this is live. This is a live feed here. So you can lower the camera, or I can raise it up, and I can move it from side to side. Also, if I wanted to record what's going on in there, I can go ahead and record. As you see, it's recording there. I can stop it. I also could take a picture. If I wanted to speak to someone in there, I could speak to them. And also, I could just mute the sound if I wanted to. So, overall, the picture quality doesn't look bad. No one here besides me right now to see what someone would look like in there. But overall, not bad, man. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys if you guys want to pick this up. The Nooie Cam, link in the description. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.